Послушаем простой рассказ на английском.
I love meeting my friends. We often plan to meet on weekends. We choose a place and a time. Everyone is excited to spend time together. Meeting friends is always fun and enjoyable. Last Saturday, I met my friends at the park. We decided to have a picnic. I packed some sandwiches and fruit. My friends also brought snacks and drinks. We found a nice spot under a big tree. We spread a blanket on the grass and put our food on it. We sat down and started eating. The sandwiches were delicious. We talked and laughed while we ate. It was a sunny day and the weather was perfect. After eating, we played some games. We played frisbee and soccer. Everyone joined in and had a great time. Playing games with friends is always exciting. It makes us happy and energetic. Later, we took a walk around the park. The park was beautiful with many flowers and trees. We took some photos to remember the day. The photos turned out great. We smiled and made funny faces. We also went to the playground. There were swings and slides. We felt like kids again. We had so much fun playing on the swings and slides. It was a wonderful experience. In the afternoon, we decided to have ice cream. There was an ice cream truck in the park. We each chose our favorite flavors. The ice cream was cold and sweet. It was the perfect treat on a warm day. We sat on a bench and enjoyed our ice cream. We talked about school, movies, and our plans. Sharing stories with friends is always interesting. We learn new things about each other. Time passed quickly, and soon it was evening. We packed our things and got ready to leave. We hugged each other and said goodbye. We promised to meet again soon. It was a memorable day with friends. Meeting friends is very important to me. It makes me feel connected and happy. Friends are like family. We support and care for each other. Spending time together strengthens our bond. Sometimes we meet at a cafe. We drink coffee and chat for hours. Other times we go to the movies. Watching a film with friends is always fun. We laugh and discuss the movie afterwards. We also enjoy going to each other's houses. We play video games and listen to music. We cook and eat together. These moments are special and create lasting memories. Meeting friends helps me relax and forget my worries. It is a break from routine and schoolwork. I always look forward to our meetings. They are the highlight of my week. Friendship is a precious gift. It brings joy and meaning to my life. I am grateful for my friends. They make my life brighter and happier. I hope to keep these friendships for a long time. In the future, we plan to travel together. We want to explore new places and have adventures. Traveling with friends will be amazing. It will create even more wonderful memories. Meeting friends is a simple pleasure. It doesn't matter where we go or what we do. Being together is what makes it special. I cherish every moment with my friends. They are the best part of my life.
Дорогие друзья, специально для вас было разработано эффективное приложение для изучения английского языка, в котором вы сможете тренировать произношение самых популярных фраз и доводить их до автоматизма. Скачивайте приложение в Рустор по ссылке в описании или на нашем сайте. Listen to the next story. My best friend's name is Alex. Alex is a cheerful and kind person. When I need help, he helps me. If I feel sad, we meet and laugh together. Recently, we went to nature and barbecued. In winter, Alex and I go skiing. In the summer, we ride a bike. Alex has a funny dog named Chaff Chaff. She is very active and always runs after us. If we are riding a bicycle, the dog runs after us. In the evening, we like to watch movies together. We also like to play badminton. It's a lot of fun, and we laugh when we play. I love spending time with Alex. I miss him when we're not together. Listen to the next story. It's raining outside today. But I'll still go for a walk. I love to walk and breathe fresh air. Maybe I'll go for a walk in the forest. Walking through the forest, I listen to the birds singing. I like to walk among the trees. A walk in the forest energizes me. Various trees and plants grow in the forest. They are all different and very beautiful. If the weather is nice and sunny, then I go there by bike. My best friend is coming with me. Then we leave the bikes in the clearing. and let's go look for beautiful flowers. We make a bouquet out of them, which then stands in a vase at our house. Listen to the next story. Today is Sunday, and my friends and I went outdoors. We went by car. My friend found a beautiful place to relax in nature. This place is located next to the lake. Trees grow next to it. The crowns of the trees were covered with green foliage. Birds live in the crown of trees. They chirp cheerfully and beautifully. We took a volleyball and badminton with us. The boys played volleyball and the girls played badminton. Our friend was frying sausages over a fire. The sun was shining and we were in a good mood. We drove home when the sun went down. We had a good and fun time in nature. I love spending time with my friends. Listen to the next story. When I was 10 years old, I was given a rabbit for my birthday. I asked for this every year before my birthday. On my birthday, I woke up early. It was just my mom and me at home. Mom congratulated me on my birthday. She made a big, beautiful cake. She said that when Dad comes home, we will eat it. I'm a little upset because I don't have a rabbit. I heard a knock on the door. I went to open the door. I opened the door and there was a box on the floor, in which sat a small white rabbit. I looked up and took my dad away, who told me, "Happy birthday, baby." I burst into tears and hugged my mom and dad. This rabbit was the best gift for my birthday.